Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for this sparkly plum lip. I've used mostly products that are new launches in the months of March and April, so I'll be taking you through my first impressions. And we're going to start with skincare first. I have this activated charcoal face pack from the brand Jeva, and I'm trying it out for the first time. Activated charcoal is good for the skin because it helps in drawing out the impurities, it helps in unclogging the pores. So I've applied a fairly thick layer of this all over the face. I'm going to let it dry for about 10 minutes, and once I clean it up, my skin feels just really nicely cleansed. Then I'm going to use a bit of the steam distilled rose water, also from the same brand Jeva, and follow it up with the Mamaearth by Blemishes moisturizer, and this one is meant for uneven skin. I found this to be nice and hydrating without feeling any greasy feeling on the skin. Next, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I use the shade 05 Warm Beige. Now, this is not a new launch. This is just something I hadn't used in a while, and I wanted something a bit high coverage. And this one is a really good foundation for people with normal to oily skin, people who want long-lasting full coverage. And I'm using it with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use one of the new Maybelline metallic lipsticks. This is like a golden bronze shade, and I'm using this as a cream highlighter to add some shine to my cheeks. For my brows, I'm using the Brow Genius kit. This one is by L'Oreal. It's one of my favorites. It has a waxy color and a powder, and I use a combination of both to fill in my brows. For the eyes, I'm going to use a new palette. This one is the Smolder palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm using that soft peachy neutral color which has got quite a bit of sparkle to it. I'm using it all over the lid, and I was quite impressed by the color payoff. Next, I'm going to use some of the warm orangey browns from the palette to define my lower lash line. I'm going to do a winged eyeliner for this look. I'm using the Nykaa Vinyl Luxe eyeliner, and I like this because it's matte finish. It's got a really nice fine tip, so you can do a winged eye with like a lot of precision using this. I'm going to add some darker browns just to the outer corner to give it a little more dimension. Next, I'm going to use these two mascaras. Both of these are from the Swedish brand IsaDora. I absolutely love their mascaras. They've always worked really well for me. I'm using the curling one first and then following it up with the one that gives you more volume and length. Next, I'm going to use the Ciaté Glitter Flip, and this is a pretty fun lip product to try. It's a liquid matte lipstick. It has a bit of glitter which reveals itself when you press your lips together. So you can see there's quite a bit of purplish glitter. And I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. I'm going to use this bronzer from L'Oreal to do a bit of contouring to my face. I'm then going to use the shade Brazilian Bombshell from Nykaa. Going to mix these two shades together and apply it just above the contour to give a nice healthy color to the cheeks. And then to highlight, I'm using this baked bronzer by Milani. This is the shade Glow, and this gives you just a really nice warm champagne peachy highlight. Now, just to refine the lip, I'm going to use a lip liner. This one is the shade Beet by M.A.C. I'm using it just to give a cleaner finish to the lip because I wasn't too happy with how the liquid lipstick was looking. I'm also going to use a tinted lip oil also by M.A.C because the lipstick by itself was looking just extremely dry, and I naturally have dry lips. So with a bit of oil, it looks much more better and feels much more comfortable. And to finish off, I'm going to use the pressed powder from Palladio. And this is a really nice one, looks very natural on the skin, and that is the final look. Most of these products are new launches. I'm going to put the links to buy these online in the description box below. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.